What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wayne from Faith the Black Man. Thank you guys so much for checking out the videos. I appreciate it. All the comments, all the support, man. You guys are awesome. Faded Nation, FDB, we're in the house. I had a Cobalt in, as you can see behind me, so I thought I'd just shrink the glass and show you guys how I heat them out and get them ready for install. Now, some people have said that these are kind of tricky to do. I admit, when I had a first couple of them that I did, they were a little bit of a pain in the butt. I had one that I couldn't do on my first try, so I tried a few times and I finally got it. One of the things with these, it has a little bit of a weird shape curve to it. So that might throw you off just a little bit, but I think when you just take your time, you'll get it. Now, you don't see these cars that often anymore. You don't see a lot of them rolling around, so it's kind of funny. This one never had tint on it, so it was nice. The copper one that I had on my page, I tinted that one as well. I didn't film it, but I did all the tint on that. I did some carbon fiber on the hood and stuff like that, on the spoiler. That car came out really nice. I also did hash marks on that in carbon fiber, so on this one I have to do hash marks as well. I didn't get those done yet, but today I just got the whole car tinted. 20% on the sides and rear with a 5% visor strip. But like I said before, we're just gonna show you shrinking the back window, getting it installed. I know they're a little bit tricky, but if you just take your time, let the heat gun do the work, you'll knock it out. So just check out the video right now. I have to admit, I thought my camera was filming, but it wasn't. So the driver's side, I didn't get all that footage, but the passenger side is the same thing. You just take your time on the corners, heat it slow, shrink it slow, and you'll be fine. So check it out and I'll be right back with you. So that's how I heat shrink and install the Cobalt rear back glasses. Now, you might not ever get on these anymore. I don't see these that often, but it seems like the ones that have come through, they've been these little SS ones, and people kind of notice these things as being like the supercharged version. I think they have a turbo, correct me if I'm wrong. But like I said before, man, this guy came through, he wanted to get this one faded out, so I got it knocked out for him. If you guys haven't checked out the Fade to Black vlog channel, check that out. I leave a link to the description down below. The Fade to Black merch is always in the link in the description down below. I appreciate any of you guys that want to check it out. Also, the Fade to Black store is down in the description as well. I got a lot of tint stuff that I use, a lot of my steamer, a lot of different things is in my store down below, and I appreciate you guys if you want to go down there and check that out, man. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I got tons more content coming, and I appreciate you guys supporting. So thanks for watching. Until next time, man, smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you like the content, and until next time, like I said before, I'll be back with another video when I get time. Until then, stay faded. Peace.